This is a fun little game to play when you are practicing your slip knots. Make sure that you've practiced them enough that you feel comfortable making slip knots, and then we're ready to begin. I'm starting with a piece of yarn, any thickness, about 2 feet long. And then together we'll sing this little song. Little birds, come and sit here still. Friends will come to you, and they will sit here too. Little birds, fly where you will. You can sing the song as slowly as you like in the beginning and see how many little birds can you get to sit on your string before they fly away.